Hello everyone, welcome to my crochet channel. Today we are going to spend a few minutes making this cute mini football. Start with a magic ring, insert your hook into the ring, pull up a loop and chain 1 as the turning chain. Then work 5 single crochets into the ring. Pull the ring tight and join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. Chain 1. For round 2, work 2 single crochets in each stitch around. You will have a total of 10 single crochets. When you finish the round, insert your hook into the first single crochet and join with a slip stitch. Chain 2 as the turning chain. In the first stitch, make 1 half double crochet. In the second stitch, make 3 half double crochets. This completes one group. Repeat this pattern around for a total of 5 groups. When finished, join with a slip stitch and hide the yarn in the back. One piece is now completed. Make a total of 12 pieces. Now let's see the pieces together. Take 2 pieces and find the middle stitch of one of the groups with 3 half double crochets on each piece. See through the matching loops of the 2 pieces. Seam 4 stitches together in this way. begin, find the middle stitch of the group with 3 half double crochets and continue saying 4 stitches together. Keep joining the pieces following the shape shown in my video. Match each piece with the corresponding piece beside it. Before closing the final opening, stuff the ball. Then see the opening closed. Your mini football is now completed. Finally, use the same yarn to make a hanging loop. Pin 17 or more if you would like a longer strip. keychain is finished.